Hello and welcome to the channel. I've got Screenshot 2.0 here, Battle Giant. This is, I think, from Series 3. Of the Akedo products. I have had this for a while, I just haven't gotten around to opening it until now. Tape. There we go. That's an interesting controller. Let's see. It's a Series 2 or 3. Yeah, this is Series 3. It's a very short one. I think it's a very small series. Small product line for Series 3. Okay, now let's see. Oh, I think we should just pop right out. There's armor. There he is. Alright. I'm glad they didn't put tabs and stuff. It's got an interesting, like, translucent, like clear, sparkly base. So he's 10 points, he's got 10 health and 5 attack. Now I don't have any Akedo handy right now, so I can't really see how he battles. Okay, armor. No stats in the middle, but that's typical for the Battle Giants. Alright. Oh, split. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short unboxing and have a good one.